welcome back to the Moose Shop. This here is Moose in the kitchen. You ever tried to make pesto sauce and it turned out like this? All brown and unappealing? After about maybe 10 minutes, it just, and then you're going, God, what do I need to do? So, I got a little secret for you, a little tiny secret. I can tell you, I won't even have to kill you, but I'll tell you, I'll share it with you, and it'll make it look like this. All green, and it'll stay green. I promise you, it'll stay like this. On pasta, on tomatoes, bread, whatever you want to do, it's going to remain like this. So, let's go out into the yard, pick some basil, come back in the kitchen, and I'll show you step by step on how to achieve this, the secret. Shh, don't tell nobody. So when you first pick your basil, the first thing you want to do is trim off the top. So this here is going to go to seed. But what you want to do is you want to cut it here so that these two little guys will then grow. So you can either pinch it or you can snip it right there. So after you do all your top trimming, you can reach on down in here and grab some of these really nice leaves for your sauce also. Clean it up down here. Over there, get a little more air ventilating through these bushes or plants. Like there's another top right here. See how beautiful that is? Nice, huh? But remember, only pick as much as you're going to use to make your pesto today. So yeah, so let's go make some sauce. Look how pretty. Okay, so what I do is I pick a colander full. That's my measurement. And then I wash them. Give it a quick rinse. Come on, get in here closer. Check it out. So making sure that there's not too many stems, which I did outside picking. We're going to give it a quick rinse. All right, let's let that sit, and we'll get our ingredients together. Okay, before I gathered all the ingredients I needed and got the oysterizer out, I put a pot of water on the stove to get it boiling. So what I use for my ingredients is, now this isn't, have to be exact. You can do whatever you want, adjust how to your liking. So I put 4 cloves of garlic, a handful of pine nuts, a cup of Parmesan or Asiago or something in that family, whatever is your preference. This is Asiago. And then a half a cube of butter. And also a half a cup of olive oil. Let's oysterize this all up. Also, if you prefer a little pepper at this time is good. I like to put a little bit in there. So I mix it up really nice so that your garlic is all chopped up and everything's mixed together. Now, we're going to take the basil over to the stove. Okay, so now that you rinsed this, we're going to strain it. take it over to the boiling water. Alright, so the water boiling. Now here's the secret to keep your pesto nice and green is a tablespoon of baking soda in your water here we're going to quickly blanch this. Now just going to get this so that it everything gets nice and just nice and wet, in and out. Now at this point, a lot of people, what they do is they'll strain this and then put it into ice water. I don't think it's necessary. I've never had problems with it. So take this out. We're going to put it directly into the moisturizer. Okay, so out of the water, into the moisturizer. And you don't have to strain this. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfectly dry. It's fine. I've never had problems with that either. So as long as you blanch it in the baking soda and put it right into your moisturizer, you should be fine. You can stop this whenever you want. If you kind of like it coarse like this, you can stop here, or you could make it a little finer like I like it. How green that is. I wish you could smell this. Once you get all mixed up and you're done, you put it in a couple containers and you can freeze this for a long time actually. So, and you can put this also in ice trays so you get smaller servings. But this is going to stay green until you eat it. Trust me, it will stay like this over pasta, over some tomatoes, on bread. I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. So I made another batch earlier today, about a half hour, 45 minutes ago, without blanching. Now look at the difference there. This is turned brown within a half hour, 45 minutes. And this here is going to stay green the whole time. It will. I promise you. So, that being said, there you go. How to make your pesto stay green forever. This is Moose in the Kitchen. Hope you hit the thumbs up button. Hope you subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Smells good.